Hello, welcome or welcome back to this channel. So, तुम सबको पता है यार, I'm not able to do vlogs for you all, and though I've already discussed with you all that it will happen soon, but I thought that why not get to learning, you know. मेरे पास थोड़ा बहुत टाइम मिलता है, and let me just tell you that अभी रात के बज रहे हैं 11. So I thought like if I can do sit down videos, then why not actually learn something together. So the topic that I've chosen for today is how to stop oversharing. It is an issue that I've had and I still have. I don't want to be lying about it कि मुझे अभी भी difficulty होती है. कभी कभी मुझे बहुत ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने बहुत overshare कर दिया है, इधर रुक जा सकती थी. But well, certain things that I'm learning in my own journey of like helping myself figure out when to really stop and what has to be shared, how you choose to keep things to yourselves when you really want to just put it out there. But जो भी चीज़ें मैं खुद के लिए सीख रही हूँ और जो चीज़ें मैं अपने आप को सिखा रही हूँ, I have put down like 5 points for you all and I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you. And yeah, please do put it in comment sections if there are things that you have tried and tested and it has worked for you. And if there's some challenges that you're facing, maybe we'll pick up some topic from your comments and maybe we can talk about that in the next video. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing is pause before you speak. Now ये ना बहुत ट्रिकी है क्योंकि मैंने बहुत इजीली बोल दिया पॉज बिफोर यू स्पीक. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, कोई आपसे सवाल करता है और आप फट से तत करके बोलना शुरू कर जाते हो. इट हैपेंस विद मी आल्सो बिकॉज अब किसी ने पूछा है एंड यू नो दैट ऑनेस्टी स्ट्राइक्स एंड यू जस्ट वांट टू से इट आउट अलाउड दैट हाँ ये हुआ, ऐसा हुआ, ये किया, वैसा किया एंड ऑल दैट. बट टू respond the right way, the first thing you need to do is pause and don't answer immediately. So if you're getting a question, so just थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ, immediately आप answer करना मत शुरू करो. So that's your first thing to remember. The second thing to remember is that ask this question: why am I sharing this? And it's a very important question यार. कभी कभार क्या होता है ना, just to fill in the gaps we end up oversharing. So please ask this question that why am I sharing this? And the third thing to remember is that am I sharing from emotion or from clarity? If you have that insight with you that okay मुझे ये share करना है because I have that clarity of thought that this has to be conveyed. But if it is coming from a specific emotion, whether it's that you're struggling or you're being anxious or you are being frustrated, if it's coming from that place, just pause yourselves and take a step back. So the first thing to remember is pause before you speak. Now moving on to the second point, that is not everyone deserves full access to you. यार ये मतलब बहुत easy होता है like बोलना कि not everyone deserves full access to you, but if you are an overshare or if you are an overthinker, it just ends up happening to just build some connection with the other person. You end up speaking more than that is required. And but यही चीज़ तो समझनी है ना कि हमें क्यों देने की ज़रूरत है अपना full access to anybody. Like just anybody, because you end up meeting a person and you end up sharing your whole life story. Yeah, sometimes it makes like sense. It gives you a certain kind of emotional release, a certain kind of peace, but it is not required all the time. So feed yourselves this thought that trust is earned and it's not assumed. Feed this like constantly when you're in environments where you feel like speaking up or sharing your thoughts, and just remind yourselves that trust has to be earned. Not everybody is going to get to learn about what's really going on. So remember this. And यार कुछ चीज़ें ना ये सीखना पड़ेगा. If you are also struggling, and I keep telling this to myself, that keep some part of your life sacred. It is not to be shared with anybody. Okay, this life or the emotions that you feel or the life that you've had, whether it's struggles, whether it's whatever, usually whenever you're sharing, you want to tell your life story, but not necessarily everybody needs to know it. And get comfortable with that idea. Okay, moving on. Number 3, share after you have processed it. अब मैं ये कहीं पे भी ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आपको शेयरिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए यार. We all need a release. Like, we all need our people जिनके साथ आप बहुत ओपनली कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं, जिनके साथ आप ऑनेस्ट रह सकते हैं. दैट इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट. बट आई एम सेइंग प्रोसेस थिंग्स एंड देन यू शेयर. हमारे कुछ अपने लोग तो होते ही हैं सबके पास, ठीक है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑल द अदर पीपल, ओके, जो आपके आसपास हैं, जिनके साथ आपका रोज का उठना बैठना है, सो इफ यू आर फीलिंग दैट कभी कभार ज्यादा हो जाता है कुछ, सो द ओनली thing to remember is first process and then share. Don't be like the first point that we discussed, don't be in a hurry to share. So what do you need to do? Don't share wounds that are still bleeding. Oh my god. देखो यार, कुछ चीजें तो ना एक ह्यूमन पर्सपेक्टिव से भी समझ लो एंड एक अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से समझ लो. अगर किसी चीज में बहुत ज्यादा दुख दर्द अभी भी महसूस हो रहा है तो उसको उस समय अगर आप ना डिस्कस करें तो बेटर है. मे बी लेट थिंग्स काम डाउन. मे बी वंस यू हैव फुल्ली फेल्ट वॉट एवर हैज हैपन टू यू, इफ यू आर फीलिंग whatever, like it could be any situation that has made you feel bad, it has let you down, if someone has let you down, whatever has happened, just don't talk about it when you're still bleeding. Give it some time and then share. जब आप जल्दीबाजी में होते हो ना, आपने खुद वो चीज प्रोसेस नहीं की है, तो जब आप एक्सप्रेस करने जाएंगे आप उसे उल्टा पुल्टा ही एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. बिकॉज हाउ विल यू रियली आर्टिकुलेट थिंग्स इन द राइट वे, और हाउ विल यू एक्चुअली एग्जैक्टली गिव आउट द इमोशंस दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द अदर पर्सन ऑल्सो टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो व्हेन थिंग्स आर हेवी, डोंट jump into it. And coming on to the 4th point, that get comfortable with privacy. I know in the world of social media, I don't think so privacy नाम की कोई चीज exist करती है, because we all want to share the best part of our lives, everything that is so, whatever is going on, literally whatever is going on, everything is out there on our social media platforms, Instagram, YouTube, all the other platforms, wherever you guys are, whatever you guys are using. So थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है टू गेट कंफर्टेबल विद द आइडिया ऑफ प्रिवेसी. बिकॉज देखो यार, मतलब ये चीज समझना जरूरी है कि यू डोंट नीड टू गिव एन एक्सप्लेनेशन टू एवरीबडी. ओके, नाउ इफ यू स्टार्ट शेयरिंग टू मच, अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो कम योर वे बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, and not necessarily you're wanting to reply to those questions, and you very well should have the capacity to say that right now I'm not comfortable sharing more information about the same, or when the time comes I will share things in detail, but have that guts to speak that out loud. So the thing to remember is that you don't owe anyone for that matter any explanation, and that's something that अपने अंदर ना गार्ड लो उस चीज को. जस्ट कीप रिमाइंडिंग योरसेल्फ दैट यू डोंट ओ इट टू एनीबडी. नेक्स्ट थिंग टू रिमेंबर इज दैट, as I said, and I will again repeat, that it's okay to say out loud in open that I want to keep this thing private, I would not like to share more. Yes, it will take guts, because most of the time when we end up saying these lines, it comes off as if you're being rude, but not saying in the rude tone. You just have to say, right now I'm still figuring out things and I would not like to share more, or this thing is a little private, I like to keep it to myself, and that is okay. Please, that is okay. And well, coming to the last point, stop seeking validation through sharing. यार ये चीज तो मतलब ये कहीं ना कहीं एक्सेप्टेंस लानी पड़ेगी आपको, कि कभी कभार हम चीज़ें इसलिए शेयर करते हैं बिकॉज हमें एक कनेक्शन फॉर्म करना है. हमें लगता है अगर हम अपनी डीपेस्ट डार्केस्ट सीक्रेट्स किसी के साथ शेयर कर देंगे तो हमारी उनकी हमसे हमदर्दी बढ़ जाएगी, या हमारी तरफ उनका देखने का नजरिया बदल जाएगा. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. इट इज जस्ट दैट यू एंड अप ब्लर्टिंग आउट सो मच मोर दैट दे हैव the information that is firstly not required, and they might not feel the intensity, the pain that you've gone through, and what is the exact emotion that has to be caught from the story that has been shared. So yeah, you might be looking to share that story to get reassurance, to get attention, to form connection, but it usually doesn't happen that way. And the most important thing to learn here is to learn to regulate your emotions without needing an audience for it. Your emotional regulation might seem like, you know, हर चीज को इतना इवेल्युएट करके हम बोले, इतना ज्यादा सोच के हर चीज करें, इसका कहना का मतलब वो नहीं है. It is just that when you see yourselves overdoing something, pause and reflect back, take a step back, and it's okay. कभी कभार होता है ना, आपके मुंह से जबान से निकलने ही लग गया ना, आप like, no yaar, I don't need to get into this. I'm saying you'll have to train yourself, your brain to operate that way. It is not gonna come naturally to you. Like it doesn't come naturally to me as well. I also struggle with this time and again, and I also have to revise myself with these things that I just shared with you all, because again, we are human, we are bound to, and you know, हमारा जो एक बनावट है, जो मैं बहुत often इस चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब करती हूँ, अगर हमारी एक बनावट है, हम एक तरीके से बिहेव करते हैं, उस बिहेवियर को चेंज करने में भी समय लगता है. ठीक है, तो पहली बात तो अपने आप को उतना समय दो टू चेंज दैट एस्पेक्ट अबाउट योर सेल्फ. एंड ऑल्सो when you're learning in the process, when you catch yourselves, मतलब ये नहीं कि आपने बकना शुरू कर दिया है तो आप रोक ही नहीं सकते उस चीज़ को. आप रोक सकते हैं, बस वही आप अपने आप को वो बोलिए कि ठीक है यार, अभी तक तुमने इतना शेयर कर दिया, लेट्स पॉज हियर एंड लेट्स फिनिश द टॉपिक राइट हियर. सो या, these are the 5 points that I wanted to share from my own journey, and this is something, see, I want to have an open communication with my audience, because it's not something where I have not figured out this life, or I have not figured out everything that is going on around me. I too struggle with my own things, and there are a lot of things that I might, you know, not been able to process the right ways. But again, I'm saying I'm human and I'm learning and I'm wanting to see what are the other ways to operating. So that is why I thought that I'll share this with you all, to tell you all that we all are very same. It is just that कुछ चीज़ें कोई पहले सीख जाता है, कोई बाद में सीखता है. And again, what really matters is to put in the effort to learn and help yourselves live a better life. And this is a major part of personal growth, to choose learning every single day, my friend. And well, if you are on to that journey of learning, believe me, things will get better only from here on. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found some value in what I've shared, and well, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.